Hello everyone, welcome back to Art and Craft page. Today we'll be showing you cute toys and crafts using the craft paper. Make a lion first. First we will make the paper spring. Now take another paper to make the lion face on it. Fix them together, make its legs, and your lion is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making cute kitty using the cardboard sheet. So first, draw the patterns on it like this, make its eyes, ears and tails. Now fix these sheets together as shown in the video and your kitty is ready. Next, we'll be making cute butterfly using the papers. So fold the paper like this and then fix both of them together. Now apply the stapler in the between and fold the paper like this. And your beautiful butterflies are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white sheet and fold it like this. Now on the one side, make the half bunny body like this, and then on the other side, make a half carrot. Now cut it out like this and then open it. Now color every bunny and carrot and your beautiful snowflake is ready. Next, take a plastic container and fill it with the brown clay. Now make the dots on it. Now we will take a red color clay to make the flower. Put the yellow in the between and then put some dots on the sides. Make its stems and leaves using the green clay and fix it on the clay like this. And it's ready. Next, take a plastic container and put the earbuds on the sides. Now take the brown color clay and roll them together like this. Fix it on the outer side of the plastic container, cover it properly. Now take a bubble wrap sheet and fold it. Apply the double-sided tape over it and then fix it in the between of the stick. And then again tie it using the double-sided tape. Now take the clay to make the flowers. Make few more as such and stick all of them together like this. And your flower vase is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a beautiful necklace. Take blue and white color clay and make small beads using it. Now decorate it. Now make a heart-like shape using the clay and surround it using white one. Now put it in the between and your beautiful necklace is ready. Next, take a glass jar and put the lines over it using the markers like this. Make the flowers, stems and leaves. Decorate it using different patterns like this. Make different flowers and heart shape over it and cover it like this using the markers. Color it properly and it's ready. Thanks for watching.